Good morning, everybody. Although it's halfway through the morning here already, I'm on the East Coast. Amazing. I'm here to give you your Thursday vote of confidence. And I hope that you all are enjoying these. Amazingly enough, I actually love doing this. I love encouraging people. But today I wanted to talk a little bit as far as encouragement goes about actually a meme that I just posted in my encouragement group. And it says, every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. And I posted that because I've been getting a couple of private messages from people in a couple of different groups saying, oh, how do you do this step? For the Wingman Merch crew, it would be, how are you able to what are you doing, that I'm not doing, basically, to get the success that you're having? And there's a couple of things that I want to say about that. First of all, there's lots of people that are getting things done. I'm just not shy about posting mine. And I do that for encouragement. It's there to encourage other people that it can happen. Because believe me, I'm not the smartest cookie on the block. I'm okay, but I'm not the smartest cookie on the block. I have more street smarts than book learning. I never went to college. If we want to get down to what do they call it, brass tacks of it, I didn't have the greatest upbringing. I fight with an illness that is very difficult for me sometimes to manage. We don't have oodles of extra money laying around. I didn't come from a rich family or anything like that. All these reasons that we can sometimes tell ourselves are the reasons that we can't, be as successful as other people. But I think that the real thing that I have going for me is that I'm pigheaded. And a good friend of mine actually once told me, she said, oh, you shouldn't say that about yourself because, when you say pigheaded, that's the meaning of that, and I pulled it up, willfully or perversely unyielding, obstinate. And when she told me the definition of pigheaded, I said, no, that describes me pretty well. And so, yes, I admit to being pigheaded. But how I use it to my advantage is what I posted in my encouragement group. Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. And so I make the decision to try. And then I make the decision that I'm not going to fail. And so I think probably if I could offer a word of encouragement to people today is to take just a little bit of that pigheadedness and apply it to your business. Because honestly, we have all the same tools. I'm not doing anything special or doing anything unique. I'm not any particularly skillful person. But what I am good at is I'm good at following the people that are getting what I want to have. In this case, Nate and Steven have the success that I want to have using merch. So I'm going to keep on at it. I'm going to be pigheaded about it, and I'm just not going to let it beat me. Yeah, that's actually, if I want to be boldly, brutally honest, that's just it. I'm not going to let the inability to get something accomplished the way that I want it to go, it's not going to beat me. And so my encouragement for today is start by making the decision to try. In this case, try and follow the steps. Nate and Steven have it laid out beautifully for us. Just go up, if you haven't been to the pin post at the top of the Facebook page, you should go there now. I went through everything in there front to back, and I've gone through it probably 9 or 10 times, and I revisit those pin posts every couple of weeks. In addition to that, I spend time on the webinars, and I just try and make sure that I'm learning everything that I can, and then I take that learning knowledge and I decide that I'm too pigheaded not to win. And so my encouragement again today is to just keep trying. Put one foot in front of the other. Don't give up. Don't ever give up. We really are. I don't like to use this analogy, but it's true or cliche or whatever word that you want to say. But if you just keep trying, We are literally in the right place at the right time, and you're with the right group to be successful. I really firmly believe that. And so I just encourage you to be a little pig-headed. Just keep trying. Put one step in front of the other. Reread and reread and reread and rewatch. And probably one other thing, ask questions. Ask lots of questions in the group. I am not shy about asking questions. Someone told me a long time ago that the only dumb question is the one that you don't ask, because there's no such thing as a dumb question if you really want to know the answer. And I believe that to be true. So take advantage of everything that we have here. And I hope that, you can take just a little bit of that pig-headedness that I have and a little bit of this encouragement, and really, really just focus on your business, on your merch business, because you're going to be able to achieve what you want to achieve. Everything is right here. And ask lots of questions. I'm by far not the expert in this, but I'm happy to answer anything that I know. And I know for a fact that Stephen and Nate are happy to answer questions as well. So you can do this. I really, truly believe that. So that's all for me today. I hope that you have a wonderful day. And I hope that you like these Thursday talks that I have with you of encouragement, or memes that I post. If you do, if you wouldn't mind, could you give me a thumbs up or a comment or something like that, so I know that I'm actually, being a benefit to you? That would be really, really great for me. I hope you all have a wonderful day and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.